Okay, so good day to everybody. Welcome to the Mind Capital Passive Income presentation. We've just got a few more people logging in there. A warm welcome to everybody from all over the world. We've got people logging in from, I know we've got Rudolph out there in the Caribbean. That's absolutely fantastic. Danjel Kostic from Europe there. Margot, also welcome. Peter back out there in the US. And Paleo from York, good old York. How are you doing, Paleo? Absolutely doing fantastic. So congratulations, massive success. Graham and Janet there, good to see you on the video. Lagan, nice to see you also. Okay, yeah, absolutely fantastic. Okay, guys, so we're going to get into it now. I'm going to basically be showing you literally in 15 to 20 minutes total a presentation that can show you how to earn a passive income daily. Before I do that, I'm just going to give you a quick introduction, just so you know who I am. I've been a business owner now for over 30 years. I've been showing people how to make money on the internet for over 22 years. I was online in 1995 and I was making a full-time income by 1997. So again, a lot of experience there. There's been some fantastic opportunities. Last company I was with, we built that to over $300 million, 300,000 members. And again, it created a lot of people who made a lot of wealth with that company. It was now 3 years ago I started to get into cryptocurrency. Okay, this is in 2017, and it was the best decision that I've ever done. Don't worry if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. I'm going to show you basically how easy it is to get started with it, and literally, ultimately, Bitcoin is the best performing asset for the past 10 years. It's by thousands and thousands of percent. So, okay, you can do your own research there. I'm going to be showing you how you can earn crypto passively here, Bitcoin specifically, which is a great asset to acquire. Okay, so outside of that, I'm just going to go on the screen share now. I'm going to go through the slides. And again, if you just keep an open mind as you go through this. And again, thanks for your attention. Okay, so ultimately, you should be able to see my screen now. Just go on the full screen here for you guys. Okay, there we have it. Okay, so this is the opportunity, Mind.Capital, passion for crypto world. And Mind Capital is a new company that literally launched on January the 11th, 2020. Just so you're aware, I was shared this opportunity in December 2019, just before New Year's Eve, actually. And it was a good friend of mine, Jets FIFA out of Australia. He said, Simon, take a look at this. This is a solid opportunity. It's just getting started, and it can earn you a passive income, and it's global. So literally on the front of the website, it looked absolutely fantastic, but I needed to be sure. I can assure you in cryptocurrencies, there is a lot of scams out there. You've got to be very careful. There's a lot of Ponzi's and pyramid schemes. You really need to do your own due diligence. So what I decided to do, I decided to go and meet the CEO. Okay, so I flew out to Madrid in Spain. Company's based in Madrid in Spain. Met and interviewed the CEO, Gonzalo Garcia Paleo. We'll talk a little bit more about him in the presentation. I also met the corporate team there, and I was blown away with what they shared and shown me there. Absolutely blew me away. Then they announced that they had a launch event on the January the 11th, 2020. Obviously, I was invited to that, and I attended that, and there was about 400 leaders at that event, mainly from Spain and South America. There was a leader from Germany, a couple of other people from the UK, one person from the US, and a few other European countries. And again, we literally, you know, what I saw there, it just blew my mind. It confirmed that, you know, not only am I seeing this as a great opportunity, but there was 400 committed leaders there also seeing the same thing. Since then, the company has grown very rapidly. They've got over 60,000 members now in over 90 countries. There's many members making life-changing incomes, anything from $100 a day to $500 a day to in excess of $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, even more thousands of dollars per day is being earned here with this company. Even millions of dollars per year. That is the potential for the career-minded. If you really want to go for this in a big way, there is literally no limits here. So again, outside of that, let's get into the opportunity in the slides and talk a little bit about cryptocurrency. Okay, so Bitcoin was the first, just over 10 years, created because of the financial collapse that was going on around the world, and it literally it's taken off in a massive way. Bitcoin, literally, when I got started in Bitcoin, this is only 3 short years ago. The price of one Bitcoin was $1,250. Today, the price of one Bitcoin is $10,702. The last time I checked today, so that's just in 3 short years. Think about that growth percentage-wise. Where do you think the price will be in another 3 years? I can assure you it's going to be a lot more than $10,702, what it is today. It's going to be absolutely, I believe, in multiple 6 figures in 3 years from now, no question. However, it's not the only cryptocurrency. There's now over 6,500 different cryptocurrencies. At the start of this year, there was 2,500. So it gives you an example of what's happening here. Okay, it is the world of finance is changing. Crypto adoption is becoming adopted all over the world. And again, there's a good thing about Bitcoin. It has got a limited supply. So with limited supply and more demand, the price will only go up. And with Mind Capital, I'm going to show you how you can make this, how you can earn from Bitcoin a passive income. Okay, so this is the CEO of Mind Capital, Gonzalo Garcia Pelayo. Very successful entrepreneur, 72 years young. Again, I flew out to meet Gonzalo. A very wise man, very humble man, literally a fun man, really, again, very friendly. And again, I work with and correspond with Gonzalo on a regular basis. And again, brilliant person. Great personality, but ultimately very, very successful entrepreneur. And he's most well known for beating the casinos. He beat them so much. Excuse me, that's the benefits of working from home. Literally, he won over 250 million pesetos, to give you an idea of how successful he was. In fact, it's the world's most winning person on the roulette table. So again, he was so successful, they've made a film about him. It's available on the website. You can check that out in your own time. He's been interviewed by all the major European magazines, multiple TV shows. And again, that isn't all he's done, okay? He also literally produced over 160 music albums. Absolutely incredible. And not only that, he's actually directed over 10 films. One of them known to be the, literally, well, it's in the all-time top 10 of best Spanish films and the top 1,000 globally. And you can look at some of the links on the main front website, click through them, have a read through them. I've looked at, again, there's a lot of interviews on YouTube and things. Very successful, very humble man. And again, started to look into the opportunities of crypto back in 2017 also. And it's absolutely fantastic what he's created there. So again, some of the advantage of Mind Capital, okay, first and foremost, they've developed their own product, and it is an arbitrage bot that literally looks at the prices of cryptocurrencies on different exchanges. It buys on one, sells on the other, and then ultimately it gives us a passive income. They give us a profit literally that varies between 0.5 and 1.5%, which is paid daily, weekdays, because it does literally trade in the fiat markets, and the fiat markets are closed at weekends. So again, it's got its own company, their own corporate team, their own development team. The transparency is all there. Obviously, before the lockdown, you could go and meet Gonzalo and the corporate team. You can actually now on appointment. Just bear in mind, it depends on the laws and where you are in the world at the moment with what's going out there. But outside of that, they've also got, again, they're transparent with the trading. Okay, the corporate team, the tech team, they do live Zooms. They actually record these. They're available on the YouTube channel, and they actually show you the hash IDs. They go onto the exchange and they show these trades live for you. This is the only company, crypto company that I've worked with that has actually shown that. Absolutely fantastic. So again, payments are daily, so you can withdraw daily, 7 days per week. Minimum withdrawals $50, just so you're aware of that. So it's a perfect business, whether you want a passive income, you want an active income, a global opportunity. That's what you have here. In addition to that, the company are literally based in Estonia. Now, Estonia is known for being the most digital country in the world. It's not easy to open a digitalized crypto company. And the company have got the, again, the registration code and the Mind Capital OU there. You can see that on the screen. So they're doing everything in the correct way. Okay, so Mind Capital Coin. Okay, so the company created their own coin. Literally, it was only perhaps in the last month that they've developed and released this coin, and they did this to stabilize the opportunity, to consolidate. It guarantees the project, and it did this because the governments are looking at controlling or trying to control these stable coins, okay, the stable cryptocurrencies. Don't worry, you don't need to know too much about it, but if you do want to find out, you can find that out. Beautiful thing here is this consolidates Mind Capital, and again, one Mind Capital coin equals $1 US, just so you're aware of that. Okay, so arbitrage, crypto fiat powered by Mind Capital, and ultimately, this is the bot that we have, a bot that literally will look at the exchanges. The exchanges, there's a couple of thousand exchanges out there. It's growing all the time. And again, the bot will do this passively for you, okay? And what it's doing, it's looking for the price differences. So buy on one exchange, sell on the other, we get a piece of the pie. It really is very simple. It's looking for a profit of around about 2.5%. And as soon as it sees that, it'll close, execute that trade. You don't do anything. The company and the bot does this literally all in the background. And each day you check your balance when you log in, and you'll see the bot there will have made a profit. Every single day that we, that since the company's launch, we've been in since day one, the bot has produced a profit. Just remember that profits, the bot obviously is working a 5-day week. So Monday's profits are paid on Tuesday, and Fridays are paid on Saturday, just so you're aware of that, okay? So again, absolutely passive. You don't need to do anything. You just contribute to your account. Happy days. Okay, so the results, again, obviously it's real trading, so they do vary anything from 0.5% to 1.5% daily, between 13 and 18% a month. That is absolutely huge. I did a Forex trading course a few years ago, and again, it was one of the hardest things I ever did. This is nothing like that at all. The company do everything for you, but I'm glad I did the course. I remember I paid £4,000 for it, and basically the traders, a pro trader, I was informed by, this is the biggest company in the UK who offer the trading training. They said a pro trader will be working and looking to produce around 8% a month, to give you an idea. Okay, so again, we're way past that, and it's passive. We're not sitting in front of computer screens or anything like that. It's not high risk Forex trading where you're betting on a price going up or down. This is arbitrage. So again, very simple process. Okay, you've got a bot there working for you, literally, and it's literally looking at the exchanges, going to buy on one exchange at one price, it's going to sell on another exchange at another price. The profit on this example there, you can see $200. Okay, the company get a 35% share of that profit, and you as the affiliate, okay, the affiliate gets the 65. So it's a company are doing very well, and of course, you, the affiliate, is also the member. So there we have it on the screen there. 35% goes to the company. Obviously, that runs the company, management expenses, compensation plan, maintenance, and things. And we get 65%. Company also will have your account set up on what we call compound interest. Okay. Now, Einstein, very clever man, said the most powerful way to make money ever is by compounding your profits. So basically, it works like this. Okay. X amount of capital in your account, the bot produces 1% on that day. Let's say it's you've got $1,000 there, okay, and the bot makes 1%, okay, it's made you obviously $10 there, okay. What's going to happen? That goes, okay, into compounding, okay. So on the next day, it'll be trading $1,010. It produces another profit, and again, you're compounding every single day, and this is incredibly powerful. So again, your account is set like that. Most people just leave it set. Want to take it out and take the profits out each day, you can. It's totally flexible, totally up to you, but most people will definitely have that compound feature and leave it on because it is incredibly powerful. So you can withdraw your profits and commissions on a daily basis. This is 7 days per week. It is incredible. There's nobody on the other side saying you can have, all right, a withdrawal's been done and then it's going to be processed. Okay, it's literally, you literally log in, you do a withdrawal, you put your Bitcoin address where you want it going, and basically within 5 seconds, it's in your wallet. It is that fast. It is 7 days per week, so it can be the middle of the night on a Sunday, and literally you want to do that withdrawal, you'll have it there. Just so you're aware, okay, your capital, your initial capital is in the system for 90 days. After 90 days, you can withdraw that out. I'll share this with you. Over 99% of our team members leave the capital in, because remember, if you don't have any capital in the trading, you'll be making, there's nothing to trade on, so you won't be making any daily income. That's just common sense there, just making you aware of that. Okay, so this is the example of the back office. Again, the company have the technical Zoom video conferences to show you the live trading. Okay, it is really absolutely amazing what the company are doing here. That's for people who want to see that, you know, is it real, and check it all out. And, you know, the company understand that there is a lot of scams out there. People, you need to be careful out there, because, you know, we've heard it, literally seen it, literally we read it, company, you know, scamming people and this, that, and the other. It's very, you know, you need to be sure. And this is why the company are transparent, showing you the trading, showing the arbitrage, showing the hash IDs on the exchanges. And again, it's absolutely fantastic that the company's doing that. So although there is no cost to join Mind Capital, there's no monthly fees either. Okay, you can't trade with thin air. You know, you've got to have some capital. Now, the beautiful thing is you still own this capital. Okay, so you're using that capital for them to make even more for you. Okay, it's how the rich get richer. They use money to make more money, and the minimum that you can start with Mind Capital is just $40. Remember, you still own that $40, so I mean, it's affordable to the masses, literally all over the world. And there is a maximum of 100,000, and there is a lot of members who have hit that maximum. It's like this. The more capital that you have trading, the more you're going to make. That is how trading works. So again, it's up to you. Minimum is just $40. And again, just so you're aware, one Mind Capital coin is equal to $1 US. So how do you participate with Mind Capital? Well, you have to go through a referral and affiliate. So get back to the person who shared this presentation with you. You get their link, you'll sign up, and then you'll make a contribution to your account in Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin in and Bitcoin out. If you haven't got Bitcoin, the person who introduced you can show you how to get Bitcoin. It's so easy today now. You just need a wallet, Bitcoin wallet. It's very, very easy, no problems there. You obviously make a contribution, minimum's $40, the maximum's 100,000, and that's it. Okay, once you've made that contribution, you don't have to do anything else. You're not going to move it anywhere or put it anything. The company will then put it into the trading. Okay, so you have to give the company a full 24 hours for the bot to produce a profit. Okay, just so you're aware of that. And that's it. You'll be logging in each day, and you'll be waking up in the morning, you'll have a big smile on your face, because again, it works like clockwork. Every single day, this bot has produced a profit. Absolutely fantastic. You'll be so delighted. You'll want to tell others about it. You don't have to. You don't want to. Of course, if you do, you will be rewarded in the referral program. Okay, that's optional. Okay, a lot of people choose to. Some people don't want to do that, and that is fine. You will make a lot more money if you decide to work the referral program. And again, it is very, very lucrative. I can assure you. I'm going to go through that with you. Okay, so again, Mind Capital have only just launched their exchange 2 weeks ago now. This is an opportunity. It consolidates the company even more. I don't know any other company in affiliate in the networking industry that has their own exchange. Okay, and this is absolutely fantastic because it reduces the fees, and it also allows the affiliates, the members, you to earn even more income. You can actually earn an income 7 days per week now. So again, fantastic that they've done this. The Mind Capital Exchange, again, you can use your Mind Capital coins to buy other cryptocurrencies. It's your own wallet, so you can deposit directly into your exchange wallet. You can exchange and buy and sell Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, USDT, and Mind Capital coins. The company also provide technical analysts, and this Thursday, okay, this week, the company are doing their first Zoom call with the technical analyst explaining how it's going to work. So again, if you want to do that and attend that, you can. You don't have to. I'm certainly looking forward to it. I'm not technical at all, literally, but I'm going to be on here because I want to learn, to learn another skill and different ways to make money. This is what the company's offering us here. They are actually working on 5 and testing 5 different bots. These are trading bots, and they're going to be releasing one very shortly to us. Okay, and this is again another way to earn cryptocurrency. So absolutely exciting times ahead. This is an example of the exchange. Again, you don't have to know anything on that, but again, if you want to learn, the company are going to have the Zooms on a regular basis, which is great. So it is very easy. I use the exchange. It is fast. It's simple. Deposit, exchange. I mean, it really is easy. I mean, I tested the exchange before the launch. Didn't need any, just self-explanatory, didn't need to watch any videos, and basically very easy to do. Okay, so let's have a look at the referral program. And again, this is optional, okay? However, like most things, literally, if we like something, we're making something from this opportunity each day, you're going to basically want to share it with your friends, your family, your contact. You don't have to, like I said, but most people will do that because they'll be so excited. And this will pay you, again, the advantages of the pay plan, which is incredible. Not only will you earn from your own referrals profits, but also team volume down 10 levels. And I'm just going to go through this with you now. Absolutely amazing pay plan. There's literally very high incomes to be made here. And again, we're only we're still in the first year with Mind Capital, and the incomes that are already being earned by some of the leaders is absolutely, it's life changing. It really is. And again, you combine that with the passive access, passive income as well. It's a win-win situation. So again, we're looking at the first level here, consultant. You need to make a contribution to your account of minimum of $40. Okay, again, there is the maximum is 100, but minimum is $40. The company will then pay you down 2 levels of the affiliate program. So let's give you an example how that works. Okay, so you're a consultant, you've made your own contribution, whether it's $40 or 100,000. Company are going to pay you down these 2 levels. Okay, so you introduce somebody who literally makes a contribution of 100,000, okay, and the bot produces a 1% profit in a day, okay? That means the person you've introduced has made $1,000 profit. Now, because that's on your first level, you get 8% of that, which is $80. Now, you don't just get that once. If the bot produces a profit every day, which it has done since its launch, you're going to get a commission every day of 8% of that profit. It's absolutely fantastic. So if bot produces 1% a day, you're going to be making $80. You've only introduced one person plus your own contribution. Now it gets a lot better. Let's say that person decides to introduce somebody else. Okay, this is going to be your second level. The bot does the same. They put 100,000 in. The bot produces 1%. Okay, because it's your second level, you're going to get 4%. That's $40. Now, remember, you've only introduced one person, okay, but you're already earning $120 daily if that bot produces 1% daily. That's absolutely staggering. 2 people in your business, you've only just got started, you're making $120 in addition to your own passive income from your own contribution. But it gets a lot better than that. They have the next level, the advisor. Okay, this is your purchases in your level 1. Okay, once it hits 5,000, or 10,000 down the multi-levels, the company will then pay you down 4 levels in the compensation plan. So again, level 3, they'll pay you 3%, level 4, 3%. Now, senior advisor is 15,000 or 40,000. Now, the 15,000 is not your own contribution. That's your first level combined. Okay, so you might only have 1,000 in, but if your team on your first level got 14, you receive your advisor, or if that obviously volume down them levels is 40,000, again, you're getting paid down 6 levels down. Leader advisor is 50,000 on frontline combined, or 160,000. The company now paying you down 8 levels in the compensation plan. And then finally, the company have the global advisor level here. And you can see there the global advisor level, okay, 100,000 on the front level, okay, or 650,000 on the team levels. The company are now paying you through 10 levels of the compensation plan. These lower levels are 2%. This is where the power of this business is, because again, if you work this business like a business and treat it like a business, and you follow our training and our instructions, there's absolutely no reason why you cannot be making literally hundreds, even thousands of dollars on a monthly or weekly, even daily basis here. It is incredible, because one thing that you cannot do, you cannot stop people making money. And this makes money like crazy. It really does. Okay, so in addition to that, remember, they obviously have the Mind Capital Exchange, which they just launched 2 weeks ago, and the company pay 30%, okay, through that 10 level compensation plan in the same levels. Okay, so again, every single day, 7 days per week, because the exchange never closes. It's open 7 days. You can exchange coins, you can deposit, you can withdraw. Okay, if your team's doing that, that's going to be absolutely crazy income in time. Companies like Binance and Kraken, Coinbase, these companies are making literally, forget about millions, they're making billions in profits from exchange fees. So given time, okay, what can be earned here? I mean, really, there is no limits here. We're just getting started. The exchange has just been obviously launched. And again, cryptocurrency, it's in a massive growth phase. It's still early adopters. It's just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, because again, once you understand the power and the benefits of cryptocurrency, you'll be all over it. You really will. Okay, the company also have an ambassador level. There is 17 ambassadors globally. I am fortunate to be an ambassador also. To reach ambassador level, okay, you do need to reach 4 million in team volume in the 10 levels. The company do ask you to only promote Mind Capital as a networking opportunity, and then the company will then give you a company-wide profit share each month. All the ambassadors get a share of that. I can assure you that it's already, okay, a life-changing income. That's just the ambassador bonus. Never mind the income that you're going to have for doing that volume in your team. So again, absolutely fantastic. To hit that ambassador, you do need to have obviously 75% of business in one leg, and you need another leg with the other 25% in, just so you're aware of that. So look at the advantages of this opportunity. It's passive, it's no cost to get started, there's residuals, there's career opportunities. Okay, most people, especially this time, what's going on in the world, it's absolutely crazy with the COVID-19. People are worried that incomes are being cut. Literally, the jobs and businesses going bust. It's unemployment rising. There's going to be a massive recession globally. It's not a nice place to be. However, we, members of Mind Capital, are making money every day, and passive at that. It's fantastic when you think about that. We are not affected by the situation. Arbitrage and cryptocurrencies are just growing. And again, more and more people all over the world now are more than ever are looking for different ways to earn income. Okay, so the company, once we get out the lockdowns, etc., the company, we're going to have incentive holidays. You can make friends all over the world, events, celebrations, the opportunity here to help your friends. It's absolutely fantastic. It really is. So where to follow Mind Capital? Okay, so the company are very active on the social media channels. Okay, they have the Facebook page, they have the Instagram page. They also have the Telegram groups in Spanish and also English version, and I strongly recommend them. They post in there daily. And then they have the official YouTube channel, which is brilliant. All the different languages are all on there, and all the different products are all put in there, instructions on everything, webinars, Zooms, tech Zooms, everything. Brilliant YouTube channel. And then in addition to that, they also have a tool to help your business. It's called Playing Bot. This is a bot that literally the person who's looking at Mind Capital, they can interact with it, and again, they just type a number, and then the bot automatically will send that information from YouTube channels, videos, everything. It's absolutely fantastic. Spanish version and also the English version here as well. And again, That's it for the presentation, ladies and gentlemen. So again, I want to thank everybody for being here at this presentation. If you see something here that you think that might suit you, then all you need to do, ladies and gentlemen, is just get back to the person who shared this incredible opportunity with you. Mind Capital gets my top recommendation. We're just getting started here. And I just realised we got a lot of people waiting to get in the Zoom call, but we have recorded this. We'll put this out in the groups later on. So again, all of you guys, members, we've got Claudia there on the video camera. Simon, Mr. Hinton, how are you? And Simon, nice to see you. Margot there as well on the video. Peter there in the US. We've got the ladies on now, more ladies than ever. It's absolutely fantastic. Graham and Janet there, as always there. Palio, Danjo, God bless you all. Follow your dreams, guys. And again, if you're watching this, just get back to the person who shared it with you. God bless you all. Thank you.